China's economic transformation has been nothing short of remarkable. Over the past few decades, it has undergone a metamorphosis that has stunned the world. From a poverty-stricken nation just a few decades ago, where many struggled to meet basic needs, China has emerged as a global economic powerhouse, with cities that rival the most advanced in the world. Its rise has reshaped the global economic landscape, creating new trade routes and partnerships, challenging the established order and raising questions about the future of global power. The world watches closely as China continues to grow. China's economic might is undeniable, with its stock markets and financial districts bustling with activity. It boasts the world's second-largest economy, a testament to its rapid development and strategic planning. A rapidly expanding middle class is driving domestic consumption, fueling further economic growth, and a dominant position in global trade, with its ports and trade hubs among the busiest in the world. Its influence extends far beyond its borders, with investments and business ventures in numerous countries, shaping industries, markets, and economies worldwide. The ripple effects of China's economic policies are felt globally. This unprecedented economic ascent has not gone unnoticed. Media outlets and analysts frequently discuss China's growth. Governments, businesses, and individuals around the world are grappling with the implications of China's rise, trying to understand and adapt to this new reality. Understanding the factors behind China's economic success and its potential trajectory is crucial for navigating the complexities of the 21st century global economy. Scholars and experts are delving deep into China's strategies. The world is witnessing the rise of a new economic superpower, one that is rapidly changing the dynamics of international relations, one with the potential to reshape the global order. Trade agreements and strategic discussions are increasingly centered around China. The question is, how will this new order be shaped, and what role will China play in it? The future remains uncertain, but undeniably influenced by China's actions. As we look ahead, the world must consider the profound impact of China's economic trajectory and prepare for a future where its influence continues to grow. Central to China's economic rise is its manufacturing prowess, a sector that has been the backbone of its rapid development. Over the past few decades, China has become the world's factory, producing a vast array of goods that reach every corner of the globe. From clothing and electronics to automobiles and machinery, the sheer scale and diversity of China's manufacturing capabilities are unparalleled. This manufacturing dominance has been fueled by a combination of low labor costs, substantial government support, and a relentless focus on efficiency and productivity. However, China's economic strategy goes beyond simply being a low-cost producer of goods. The country is actively seeking to transform its economic landscape. By investing heavily in research and development, innovation, and high-tech industries, China is moving up the value chain and aiming to become a leader in advanced manufacturing. This strategic shift is evident in sectors like aerospace, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence, where Chinese companies are not just participating but emerging as global leaders. China's economic transformation is not limited to manufacturing alone. The country has also seen explosive growth in its services sector. Driven by a burgeoning middle class and increasing domestic consumption, the services sector has become a significant contributor to the economy. This diversification of the Chinese economy, encompassing both manufacturing and services, is a key indicator of its long-term growth potential and resilience. China's economic engine is evolving, transitioning from a reliance on low-cost manufacturing to a more balanced and sophisticated model that includes high-tech innovation and a robust services sector. This evolution has significant implications for the global economy, as China's role shifts from a primarily manufacturing-based economy to one that plays a leading role in innovation, technology, and consumption, influencing global markets and economic trends. China's economic ambitions extend far beyond its borders with the Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure and development project spanning Asia, Africa, and Europe. This initiative, often referred to as the New Silk Road, aims to revive ancient trade routes and create new ones, fostering economic growth and cooperation across continents. This ambitious undertaking aims to connect China to the rest of the world through a network of roads, railways, ports, and other infrastructure projects. By building these connections, China hopes to facilitate smoother and more efficient trade, reducing transportation costs and opening up new economic opportunities. The Belt and Road Initiative is more than just an infrastructure project. It's a geopolitical strategy aimed at expanding China's economic and political influence worldwide. Through strategic investments and partnerships, China is positioning itself as a central player in global trade and diplomacy. By investing in developing countries, China is securing access to new markets, resources, and strategic partnerships. These investments are not only about building infrastructure, but also about fostering long-term economic relationships that can benefit both China and the host countries. The Belt and Road Initiative has been met with a mix of enthusiasm and apprehension. While some see it as a golden opportunity for development and economic growth, others are wary of the potential risks involved. Some countries welcome the investment and development opportunities, seeing them as a chance to improve their infrastructure and boost their economies. These projects can bring much-needed jobs and development to local communities, while others express concerns about China's growing influence and the potential for debt traps. Critics argue that the financial burden of these projects could lead to increased dependency on China, potentially compromising the sovereignty of the host nations. The Belt and Road Initiative is a testament to China's long-term strategic thinking and its determination to reshape the global economic landscape. It reflects China's vision of a more interconnected and interdependent world, where it plays a leading role. Its success or failure will have profound implications for the future of globalization and the balance of power in the 21st century. The outcomes of this initiative will be closely watched by nations around the world, as they could redefine international trade and economic alliances for decades to come. Section 4. Trade Wars and Trade Partners. Navigating the Global Market. China's rise as a trading giant has not been without its challenges. The country has faced accusations of unfair trade practices, intellectual property theft, and currency manipulation. These tensions have led to trade disputes, most notably with the United States. Despite these challenges, China remains a vital trading partner for countries around the world. Its vast manufacturing capacity and growing consumer market make it an indispensable part of the global supply chain. China is actively seeking to strengthen its trade relations with other countries, particularly through regional trade agreements. These agreements aim to reduce trade barriers, promote economic integration, and enhance China's influence in key regions. China's navigation of the global trading system is a delicate balancing act. The country must address concerns about its trade practices while continuing to expand its economic influence. How China manages these competing pressures will have significant implications for the future of global trade. Section 5. The Dragon's Reach. Investments and acquisitions. China's economic influence is not limited to trade. It extends to investments and acquisitions around the world. Chinese companies, often with state backing, are investing heavily in foreign assets, from natural resources to technology companies. These investments are driven by a desire to secure access to key resources, acquire advanced technologies, and expand China's global footprint. Chinese investments have been particularly notable in sectors like energy, infrastructure, and real estate. China's growing investment activity has raised concerns about national security and economic dependence. Some countries are implementing stricter investment screening mechanisms to address these concerns. China's global investment strategy is a key component of its economic rise. The country's ability to continue investing at such a scale, however, will depend on its ability to address concerns about its investment practices and maintain a stable global economic environment. Section 6. Technological prowess, from 5G to AI. China is aggressively pursuing technological dominance, investing heavily in research and development and nurturing its own tech giants. The country is making significant strides in areas like 5G, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing. China's technological ambitions are fueled by a desire to reduce its dependence on foreign technology and become a global leader in innovation. The country is creating its own technological standards and ecosystems, challenging the dominance of Silicon Valley. This technological competition between China and the West has implications far beyond the economic realm, extending into areas like national security and global influence. The battle for technological supremacy is likely to intensify in the coming years. China's technological progress poses both opportunities and challenges for the world. While it has the potential to drive global innovation and economic growth, it also raises concerns about cybersecurity, data privacy, and the potential for technological decoupling between China and the West.